So people have been asking me to get the Keychron M4 down in weight, and today we're going to try and see how much weight we can remove it, doing non-destructive mods. So you can put it back together and we'll see exactly how light this thing can go. Not sure I'm a Bearded Bob, over 270 gaming mice, well into gaming tech and also Valorant. That as well, so into that kind of stuff, then stick around on this channel. Right, let's take some weight out of the old Keychron M4. Look how small this thing is. Holy moly. Compare it to a cheaper Superlight, just to give you a bit of an idea. See, 38 grams is actually quite heavy, really, given its size. Bear in mind, this is a medium Beast X, right? 2 grams in it. Right. $300 mAh battery. We can change that. That's one of the first things we're going to have to do. Anyhow. What weight do you reckon we get this down to? 37.5 grams. Stock at the minute. I think if we get this below 30, we're doing pretty well. Put it back together, we took the basic bits out of it. Right, let's try this. We'll do this first, we'll put these bits in, then we'll take out the scroll wheel and the side buttons, and then we'll take it down a bit further so you can see what the different combinations are. So need only one screw in. With the side buttons out and stuff, we might get down to 31 like you said. Right, let's see what this weighs. Stop battery. Probably losing a gram by the looks of it. Okay, a little bit. So, lost 1.5 grams out of it. Right, let's switch the battery out then. I'll go change the connector for now, but you'll need to change the connector because, unless you can find the right one, looks like a 1.25 connector. This is the one I've got off the battery that's going in it, and this is the original one. It's like a 1.25, I would say. And this is 150 milliamps, it's half the power, so it's going to last half as long. So you have to charge it a little bit more. It's USB-C though. Not bad. 32.38. It's actually a little bit better than I thought. That's not bad for a non-destructive. What's that, 5 grams off it? So let's see what it's like without scroll wheels. So let's take the side buttons out and then we'll take the scroll out. Let's take out that one first, just the main sides. So no sides, but we've still got the side button so it looks normal. So now down to 31. Still keeping there on it still, so it looks like it would be pretty stock. Let's take them out. Where are we at? Starting to look a bit more modded now. Getting that mod feel. So you're down to 30, close 30. And take the scroll wheel out, we are going to be below 30, with half of it missing there to be fair. If you do, but people say they don't use the scroll wheel. I kind of do, and the side buttons. Although on this one I might not because it's pure fingertip, so because it's fingertip and the side buttons are a little awkward to get, I guess it kind of gives you a bit of an advantage maybe on this one not to use side buttons. Got the side buttons still in. So we've basically just got mains and a battery and a pair of skates this. So there you go, just below 30 grams. That's what you're gonna have to do to get it below 30, but that's not damaging it either. That's still, you know, we're looking an undamaged mouse.